What's up guys, so it's been a while since I did the unboxing video. Honor 7X was the last one, and then I made a lot of videos from that device. So yes, Honor 9 Lite, here it is, and a really promising phone with 4 cameras. Now I picked up the 3GB variant and I'll suggest you the same. I'll tell you why. Now I'm gonna take some of the pic from this phone that I will include at the end of this video. So yeah, quad camera with Honor full view display, 2.5D curved glass, octa-core GPU, and as I said, I picked up the 3GB variant and it's running Android 8.0 out of the box, so that's pretty interesting. 5.6-inch full HD plus display, 13 plus 2 megapixel rear and front camera, 3000 mAh battery, fingerprint and geo-VoLTE as well. So yeah, so the 4GB variant will cost you 15,000 rupees, $230, and this one cost me 11,000 rupees, $170. So the difference is kind of huge, like $60. Normally it's 35 to maximum 40 if you upgrade from 3 to 4 or 32 to 64. So yeah, that's my opinion, because I think at the end it's all about how much you pay. So this time I got a small little knife. Here it is. I think that this should be good enough to cut this box. Here we go. First, second, and boom. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay, here we go. Here is the phone. Let's quickly keep this to the side. And let's try to hit 1000 subscribers as quickly as possible. And the phone feels quite light, okay? So yeah, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. A lot more videos on the way. And what else? You get this quick start guide as always. Okay, and there is warranty card as well. And this is the case. Okay, hang on. This is not a silicone case, okay, it is a crystal case. So in Honor 7X you get the silicone, this time it's crystal. So yeah, it's pretty good that they have provided this. Looks good. And this is the SIM ejector, similar to what we saw with Honor 7X. And this phone doesn't support fast charging, so that's pretty simple. It's not a fast charger, it's 5V 2 ampere. And I heard this phone doesn't come with a slow motion mode. I have to check that out as well. Of course you can use third-party apps, but still. So I'll highly recommend you to watch this video till the very end. Okay, so this is not type C. So yeah, let's keep this to the side and come back to the phone. Now it does support gyroscope sensor, and the phone feels really compact in the hands. Let's quickly take out this little plastic. Here we go, and check this out, man. Wow, this is super awesome. Literally guys, I didn't expect it to be this premium. Looks like it just belongs to a different level. Now it has that glass back, so obviously it's a fingerprint magnet, so it's better to use the crystal case that they have provided. And as you guys can see, so yeah, the crystal case. Here is the crystal case. Let's quickly put this on. And yes, now it's better. So first of all, let me quickly show you the phone. On the back you get this glass feel with 13 plus 2 megapixel camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, and this glass just looks amazing. And if you look at the bottom, you will see the speaker, charging area, 3.5mm audio jack, and mic. Nothing at the top. On the right side you get volume rockers with power key. On the left you get hybrid SIM tray, and on the front you get 5.6-inch full HD plus display. And a quick little comparison with Honor 7X, you will see definitely Honor 9 Lite looks way more premium if you compare it with Honor 7X, thanks to this glass body. Also, if you compare it with Mi A1, again Honor 9 Lite takes the lead because of that glass back. So yeah, when it comes to look and feel, Honor 9 Lite thumbs up. So yeah, let's quickly enroll the fingerprint, and as you guys can see, the speed looks decent, and we are almost done. Okay, yes, okay, let's check the speed and accuracy. Feels good. Again, one final time. Okay, so no problems there, it's super quick. And let me quickly show you the settings. About phone, and this one comes Android Oreo, as I said, out of the box, which is really nice. Let me quickly show you that as well. This is Android Oreo, and this is the storage, and as you can see, 22GB is there. Of course there are some third-party apps pre-installed. So yeah, anyways, let's go open camera and let's quickly check this out. Okay, hang on, what's missing? Let me quickly show you the Honor 7X. Here is my Honor 7X, and as you guys can see, there is no slow-mo, and also effects is not there, and audio note as well. So yeah, let's quickly check from swiping from this side. And okay, so you also get this add watermark option that looks nice, and in this side it's pretty much similar. I don't see any changes. So yeah, they are almost the same over here. So let's quickly take a pic from this device, and here we go. And you will see that the Honor 9 Lite watermark that kind of looks really cool. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video. A lot more videos to come. Honor 9 Lite, Mi A1, Honor 7X, Honor 6X as well. I don't have that right now with me. So yeah, a lot more videos on the way. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Share. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.